Hi there, I'm Shantunem and in this video I'm going to show you how to close a Payoneer account. Let's start. First, open a browser and log into your account. Before closing your account, make sure you have no balance in your account. Now go to settings and click on profile settings. Now scroll down and click on close account. Close account again. A verification code will be sent to your registered phone number. Enter the code here. And hit enter. Wait a few seconds for the process to complete. My account has been closed. Try to logging into my account now. It's closed. Thanks for watching.